Want to turn website visitors into paying customers with the power of social proof? First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. We're going to use a plugin to make this super easy. So click on Plugins and then Add New. Now, in the search bar, type in Google Reviews. You'll see a bunch of options, but for this tutorial, we're going to use a popular and reliable plugin like Widget for Google Reviews. Find Widget for Google Reviews or a similar well-rated plugin and click Install now. Once it's installed, activate the plugin by clicking the Activate button. After activation, find the plugin settings. This is usually located in the left-hand menu or under the Settings tab. You'll need to connect the plugin to your Google business profile. This usually involves getting an API key from Google, which the plugin will guide you through. It may sound intimidating, but the plugin usually makes it a simple copy and paste process. Once connected, you can add the Google Reviews widget to any page or post. Simply go to the page you want to edit and look for the plugin's widget or shortcode option. Drag and drop the widget or paste the shortcode into your desired location. Finally, customize the look and feel of your Google Reviews to match your website's design. The plugin settings will usually allow you to adjust the number of reviews displayed, the layout style, and even the colors and fonts. And that's it. Now you have genuine customer reviews, boosting your credibility and converting visitors into happy clients.